This is the Western Digital 18 terabyte external hard drive. You can see that it has a 2-year warranty, and you get an external hard drive, a USB 3 cable, AC adapter, quick install guide, already formatted for NTFS for Windows, but you can reformat it for macOS. And you power it up, connect to your PC. Looks like you get plug and play, and with USB 3, fast transfer. Okay, let's unbox this. Go to the top here. And these are the accessories. But let's take the drive out. Here we have the drive. In the back, see that we have the 12-volt power input, USB 3 connector, a Kensington lock slot, and it looks like there's a power button. And these are vents. You can actually see the drive inside if you look carefully. White stickers in there. You can remove the protective fill. Get a good look at it. Okay. Then we also have some accessories in here. Let's take these out, like a power adapter. This is a 12-volt, 1.5 amp positive polarity adapter. There's the end there. We also have the USB 3 cable. Let's see that connector there. And then the USB-A connector here. And we have some documentation. Orders in many different languages. So that's the Western Digital Elements 18 terabyte hard drive.